question number 10 is pretty easy because I can see in my test 80% of the student, which is 16, got it correctly. This is only dealing about how you test and verify the patterns, right? Because they give us four examples here. Four examples here. Zhu got, when they do the archery, Zhu got 8, right? And Bob missed one and scored 4, and Gabi got 11. Then they asking us, what is Hermione's scores? All right, since we know 3 examples, what we need to do is we need to find out how this score is gonna be consisted by the different positions. They give us three examples, 8, 4, and 11. That's what we need to find out. So look, Bobby is definitely the most easiest one to be find out, isn't it? Because Bobby only got a 2 shot, and you can find that this 2 shot is on the same ring, right? So if on the same ring it's got a 4, so we can know the ring here must represent 2 scores. If that is true, we can just have a look at Zoe. Zoe got number 2 here, and Zoe got another 6 points by getting another 2 shot, right? By getting another 2 shot, we can easily just say, okay, 6. Since the most outer ring, we can assume, or we can test it to say, how about if this is the 1 and this is the 5? Be careful here about 1 and 5. We are only testing it. We are not quite sure if it really works like that, right? Because we still can get to say, we still can get 3 and 3, 2 and 4. It might works, right? Of course, we know that the rings in the middle is number 2, so it cannot be number 2 for the outer one. But it's still possibility, right? We cannot just overlook it. So we have to be careful. 1, 5 is the most reasonable assumptions we can take. We need to verify it with the Gabi one to see if it works. In Gabi's, if it's 11, let's assume this one in the middle is 11. So the numbers which is on the outer of the center one, it should be 3 and 3. Yeah. Okay. So under these circumstances, we understand. All right. After we test, we'll find out the different values of the score in each of the ring will be from the inside to outside. Will be number 5, 3, 2, and 1. That is basically after we test it, we'll find out. Right? This is number 5, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah. So this pattern is works for Zoe, for Bobby, and for Gabi. It all works. That is how we get it. Then we try to use this one. We try to use the patterns we find out, apply on Hermione to see if that is true. The scores that Hermione got will be 3 plus 2 plus 1 that equals to 6. Then, all right, we find the answer. It's A. So we know that, okay, our test is correct. Then after we verify, we should be more confident to say, all right, Hermione should be get 6 points. Okay, then